Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 E450 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the night package, which is going to give you high gloss black elements, front splitter, grille. Also included is the AMG line exterior, which is going to give you AMG exterior components, perforated front brake disc and front brake calipers, a sports exterior and interior look. Also the exterior lighting package, which comes with LED intelligent light system, adaptive high beam assist. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels with black accents. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, pano sunroof. Coming around back, E450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set to all season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, black wood trim, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E450 has 5,660 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.